Are you worried whether you should go for English in Islamiyat or Urdu while attempting paper of CSS? No need to worry more. Here is the solution why you should opt Islamiyat in English. I will give you 4 reasons you should opt it in English. Reason number 1. You are going to attempt almost 11 papers in English. Attempting another one in the same language should not be a great deal. Ask yourself a question. If you are finding it hard to attempt Islamiyat in English, are you confident about your English writing skills in other subjects too? Reason number 2. When you prepare Quranic verses and a hadith in English, it will serve you as a tool to quote references in essay paper and other subjects. Before moving on towards the next reason, let's have a look on our social media accounts. You can also follow us on our social media platforms. क्या आप जानते हैं कि आज का दिन तारीख में क्यों अहम है? अगर नहीं तो हमारे इंस्टाग्राम पेज पर आइए, यहाँ आपको हर दिन की तारीख से मुतालिक मालूमात मिलेंगी। हमें ट्विटर पर फॉलो कीजिए, हमारा हैंडल है @thegkquestions. We have also created a whole playlist on essay writing on our YouTube channel. Go and check it out. You can also send us your queries on our email. All the links are given in the description box below. Reason number 3. Every language has its own writing system. In English, you write in left to right direction, which is not the case in Urdu. When you write in a direction, your hand is accustomed to write in that direction. Writing in other direction does not seem easy. Fourth, and the last reason is that you can avoid writing long stereotypical answers when you attempt your Islamiyat paper in English. I hope now you will be quite sure about your selection of language in Islamiyat paper. It is definitely English. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon to never miss any updates.